So there's the ingredients and everything set up. We've got some brown sugar, some plain flour, and dried milk, and for extras we've got some raisins and a bit of salt, and everything we need out ready to make and mix it, and some water there in the glass. So let's make our flatbread. Okay, so we've got our measuring spoon. This is in tablespoons. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 3 parts flour. So there we go. 1, 2, and there we go. 3. So that's 3 parts of the plain flour. Next is the dried milk powder. That's 2 parts. So that's 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. There they go. And now it's at 1 part brown sugar. So that's 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. In that goes. So we've now finished our tablespoon. We're now going to put in a little pinch of salt, and we're going to mix that all together. Right, so we dry mix the ingredients together so they're all mixed up nicely. Now we're going to add into this one, we're going to add in a few raisins just to give it a little bit of extra flavor. And you can add in other flavouring as well if you want. You can add in a bit of cinnamon if you like. Just leave it up to your own imagination. But today I'm going to add some raisins. So there you go. And we mix those in. And if you want to vac pack the mixture now to be used at a later date, you can. But of course today we're going to go on and make our flatbread. Right, we're now adding our water, a little bit at a time. So this is more important to add it a little bit at a time if you're out in the field, because you won't have any more ingredients to thicken it up if you add too much. So we've added our water and we start mixing it till we get the consistency that we want. Making sure we mix all those ingredients together. A little bit more. Just keep adding it till you're happy with the mixture. There we go. So there's our mixture. All done. I'm going to drag it bring it to the bottom of the bowl, and then we're going to get ready to put it into onto the pan to cook it up. So just pull that out. It's quite a little bit gooey, but it should be alright. Right, the pan's nice and hot. We've already preheated the pan. We haven't put no oil on it. There's no butter on it. We're just putting it straight onto the hot pan. So there it is on the pan. And now we're going to use, in this case, a wooden spoon or wooden spatula, just to drag it out into a small paddy and start cooking it on its first side. Might stick a little bit, but it shouldn't be too bad. Okay, we've cooked one side. Now we've cooked the other side. We've got it all nice and brown, so it's nice and brown on both sides. There it is there, it's all done. It only took a few minutes. And there it is on the plate. Let's just break that open so you can see inside. And there you go. It's done just right. Okay, so what does it taste like? So let's take it outside and try and see what it tastes like. Not bad at all. So there you go. Flatbread. Try it yourself. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.